Good afternoon to one and all. Is it audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So we have started the series RL circuit. Yesterday we have discussed about that one. And the instantaneous power, actually instantaneous power equation and power waveforms are not necessary for the RL circuit. Then also we'll discuss that because this is the formula we have discussed where we stopped here. At this point we have stopped. Yes. This is the waveform of. So just simple you think that one. The instantaneous power, red color it indicates. It is a product of instantaneous voltage and instantaneous correct current. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. You don't consider the value of all the sine omega t and all the things, sine 2 omega t and all the things. Here at this point, what about the voltage? Instantaneous voltage? Zero.
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 Okay. But the current, it has some value. I will draw like this here now. Yes. There's a
Yes,
color.
sir.
I will take different color. Just a minute. Green color. I will take that one. So this is the voltage. Sorry, current we'll consider here now. Okay. Here it is there. So if it is zero means before that one negative some current is there. So zero into multiplication of any current,
Zero.
zero only.
Zero.
So the power will become zero.
Zero.
Okay. Next, at this point, some value of voltage is there. Positive voltage is there here. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Here at this point, positive voltage is there. Here at this point, negative current is there. Product of voltage and current, instantaneous voltage and current. Negative power will be there.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
that negative power only we have drawn here. Yes. Next, you will go for this point. At this point here now. Here some voltage is there. Here some current is there. Here this point. So that product again the still current is in negative only. So negative power will come here now. At this point, current is zero, but voltage has some value at this point. Yes. So zero into multiplication of voltage
Zero.
gives
Zero.
zero. The power will be zero here. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Power
sir.
will be zero. Next, what will happen? Current will come positive cycle, and here the voltage is already positive here. No product of voltage and current, the power will flow in the positive direction here. Yes,
Yes.
after
Yes,
here the
sir.
positive direction it will come. At this point, voltage is zero and current is some value, but the power will become zero only. Zero into anything zero here. No. See next after this one, the current is positive, but what about voltage? Black
Negative.
line
Negative.
negative. So the power will be negative here now.
Negative.
So at during that particular whatever the phase angle is there, of that phase angle value only it is going to get negative, and after that phase angle whatever the phase difference between the voltage and current is there, that it will follow the positive half cycle only. Positive power only we are going to consider here now. That is the instantaneous power waveforms we are going to discuss here now. Is it clear now? That one only you
Yes,
have to
sir.
understand here.
Yes,
Very
sir.
thing is you have to understand here this one only. So up to instantaneous power you have already taken the write up you have taken. Yes. So as I have already discussed with your HOD and all the things, so we'll stop the writing part, dictation part will stop here only. Anyhow we are providing this PPT हम हमने group में डाल रहे हैं. Teaching diary में already है this PPT. This PPT is already there. So why you have to waste the time by dictating all the things here now? So instead of that one, see here, the average power, how to calculate the average power? I will go to the one more method. This is the derivation is there. One more short method I will tell the you peoples. What is this one? Voltage triangle.
Yes,
This is
sir.
the voltage triangle. Okay. So the series RL circuit is nothing but here current is resistance is there, here inductance is there. Okay. The average power of the resistance is we will get the value, but the average power of the inductance is average power of the inductance is
0.
0. We have already discussed about this one here, no? So average power of the total circuit is equal to average power of the resistance only will get.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So average power of the resistance is nothing but what is the voltage drop across resistance here? VR. Yes. VR into I we can write down.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
VR
sir.
into I is nothing but RMS value direct. We will take that down. Don't take instantaneous value and all. VR into I. According to the phasor diagram of this one here, no? What is the value of cos phi here, no? Cos phi equal to what we can write here from this diagram?
We are upon V.
VR upon V. Then VR equal to
P into cos phi.
V into cos phi. What I am telling you people, you remember carefully here. See here, from this diagram, we can tell that one average power P equal to VR into I, or I VR, we can write like this, I into VR, because average power of the inductance will become 0.
0.
So we'll consider only average power of the resistance we will consider here, no? So P equal to I into VR, or I will write VR into I only. VR into I. VR into I. VR into I have written here now. So from the phasor diagram, this phasor diagram, we can write cos phi equal to, we can write the formula cos phi equal to
VR.
cos phi equal to VR by V. Yes,
Yes.
VR by V.
Yes, sir.
So VR equal to V cos phi हो गए.
Yes.
sir.
So in this place of VR, we can substitute V cos phi. So VI cos phi हो गए वो.
Yes.
So that is the average power what we have to derive here now. That one we have derived here. The last equation I will tell that one. The last equation equal to P equal to VI cos pi. Answer.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
anyhow, you don't have the online offline examination. No need to even in the offline examination also no need to do this derivation and all the things. We know that one. The inductive load power, average power of inductive load is 0, and only resistive load will get the average power. So the total average power of the circuit will become average power of resistance and average power of inductance. So average power of resistance is VRI. We can write down. So from the phasor diagram, cos phi equal to VR by V, we will substituting this one, we will get the answer. Directly we can write down.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
So this is the another method instead of derivation and all the things. So this one I have already explained about that one here now. So up to here you have taken, up to here.
Yes.
Yes,
Next line directly you take the average power heading you take down. This at least this one will complete and later we'll start that one. Average power you write take the heading. Don't write this one. Average power you write down. लिखा है?
Yes, sir.
yes,
The
sir.
average power of the circuit is the combination of average power of resistance average power of resistance and average power of inductance average power of inductance. Next line. We know that average power of inductance is 0. we know that average power of inductance is 0. We know that average power of inductance is 0. 0. 0. Then the average power of the circuit is given by the average power of the circuit is given by P equal to VRI. ये लिखो P equal to VR into I. P equal to VR into I. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next line. From the phasor diagram, we know from the phasor diagram, we know cos phi equal to VR by V. Write this one, cos phi equal to VR by V. Cos phi equal to VR by V. Then VR equal to what?
P
Then
into cos
VR
phi.
equal to V cos phi. V cos phi. V cos phi. Next line. Therefore, average power P equal to, you write this equation, Vi cos phi. Average power P equal to Vi cos phi. Average power P equal to Vi cos phi. Full point. Over.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next line. This one you have to take down or not? Take this diagram. बाद में आरसी को स्किप करेंगे, अभी एटलीस्ट आरएल को ये लिया तो सेम डायग्राम इट विल कम फॉर द आरसी आल्सो. टेक दिस डायग्राम, अदरवाइज एक सेंटेंस ले लो. द वोल्टेज comma current and power waveforms of a power waveforms of RL series circuit is shown in below figure. Take this diagram. डायग्राम ले लो, डायग्राम होने के बाद मेरे को बोल दो. Just let me know you after completing the diagram. Over. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next line write down. From the above diagram, it is seen that from the above diagram, it is seen that from the above diagram, it is seen that it is seen that is seen that is seen that positive power is not equal to the negative power. Positive power is not equal to the negative power. Positive power is not equal to the negative power. This one, positive power is not equal to the negative power, and hence the average power in the circuit, and hence the average power in the circuit is not equal to 0. Is not equal to 0. एवरेज पावर 0 है क्या आरएल सीरीज सर्किट में?
No, sir.
No. For the CL circuit, pure L circuit, average power
0.
0. Okay, very good. Over not equal to 0. So it completes the series RL circuit with the explanation. Okay. So next point onwards, what we will do, I will do the dictation, but you have to write in the very short. You have to do that one. Short write up you have to take down. Only important thing only I will dictate you peoples. The formulas and phasor diagrams like that. Okay. So it is whatever current equation is over, voltage equation is over, power equation is over. Now the main term is impedances, triangles we have to discuss here now. So the power factor we have to discuss. Okay. So from the phasor diagram, it is observed that one cos phi equal to VR by V. Just now you have told. Yes.
Yes.
Phasor diagram we can tell that one cos phi equal to VR by V. VR is the product of IR, I and R.
Yes, sir.
VR equal to IR. And V equal to IZ, we can say that one. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I gets cancelled, R by Z. So cos phi equal to R by Z also we can write down. We know that one power equal to P equal to VI cos phi, that is power we have identified just now here now. And in the place of V, I will write down this one IZ, and whatever I is as it is, I will write down here. No, R by Z, cos phi equal to R by Z, I can write here.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So P equal to I square R हो गए.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what do you mean by resistance? For the pure resistance, this is P equal to I square R only. P equal to
Yes,
VI,
sir.
V equal to IR. I is nothing but I into I square R. So it acts as a pure resistance only now.
Yes, sir.
Only
Yes,
for
sir.
the power related work. So for that reason only we are telling that one, the active power which will do the useful work. The reactive power is there, whatever the inductive, capacitive and all, that is not useful, but it will flows in the load and in the circuit it will flow that one. So we have proved the power here now. That is nothing but VI cos pi. We can say that one here now. So this one circuit consumed only in the resistance, the inductance does not consume anything. Okay. You write down from the phasor diagram. Next line write down from the phasor diagram. We can write cos phi equal to VR by V. Up to here you write down, up to here. Up to इधर तक लिख दो, cos phi to here. After completing that one, you just let me know. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next line I write down. Hence, The power in RL series circuit, hence the power in RL series circuit is consumed. Hence the power in an RL series circuit is consumed only in the resistance. RL circuit is series circuit is consumed only in the resistance, and the inductance does not consume any power. The inductance does not consume any power. Next line. The power factor in the circuit is the power factor of the circuit is the cosine of angle between the power factor of the circuit is the cosine of angle between voltage and current. Cosine of angle between voltage and current, that is cos phi. That is cos phi. Full point. Next line. The power of the circuit is the power of the circuit is the product of voltage and comma current and power factor. Voltage, comma current and power factor. Therefore P equal to VI cos phi. Full point. Okay. So now listen carefully here now. Now we'll discuss impedance triangle. From the phasor diagram, we already know that one. This is the resultant is V and the opposite is VL and adjacent is VR. So okay, VR is in phase with current. We have already discussed about that one. So same thing, V equal to IZ we can write down. This V equal to, hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
V equal to IZ, I have written V equal to IZ. This VL equal to IXL, VR equal to IR. I have written here now. So here I, common term is there. I will remove I here now. So it will become Z, it will become XL, it will become R here now. So Z, XL, R here now. From this one, impedance, total impedance equal to Z square equal to R square plus XL square. And Z equal to square root of R square plus XL square. We can write down here now. And power factor from this one, cos phi equal to R by Z, we can write down. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. And phase angle, it's nothing but tan phi equal to tan inverse of XL by R also we can write down.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Only don't take this explanation and all the things. Take the heading impedance triangle. Heading le lo. Taken the heading impedance triangle.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't take this first diagram. Yet second and third diagram le lo. Ye dono diagram le lo. Second and third diagram you take it and write all three equations. Take second and third diagram and write all the equations you write down. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait, sir. एक minute. Over, sir.
Okay. Next, you take the heading power triangle. Power triangle. From this power triangle P, A, Q, yes, we can write down here apparent power S equal to P square root of P square plus Q square, and cos phi also we can write down, and even for the phi equal to also we can write down. Yes, all three equations you write down here now. Only take the heading power triangle, triangle diagram, and these two equations you write down. That's it. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I think it is completed the RL series circuit. So for the RL series circuit, RC series circuit, main important thing is that you have to do first, you have to draw the circuit diagram. After that one, for the voltage across resistance, voltage across inductance, voltage across capacitance, you write the formula. Then you write the current equation. Then you draw the phasor diagram, and you can draw the waveforms of the voltage current also. After that one, you have to write the power equation. Then you go for the voltage triangle, current, impedance triangle, and power triangle. These three triangles you have to do that one. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So from this one, you can write phi equal to tan inverse of Q by P also you can write down. Yes or no? Q by P
Yes,
or
sir.
what? Q by P. Write that one also. Phase angle equal to third one. Phase angle equal to phi equal to tan inverse of Q by P. The formulas only you write down here now. Then while solving the problem, it will helpful for you peoples. Over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, listen carefully. Only listening mode you come here now. Second one, you take the heading. You take the heading. RC series circuit. RC series circuit. You take the heading and listen carefully. Over?
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen now. See here, comparing with RL series circuit, this one, the inductance is replaced by capacitor now. Okay, so resistance and capacitors both are connected in series, and both the series connection is connected across the supply voltage V here now. So the supply voltage means the instantaneous voltage V equal to Vm sin omega t. We can write the formula here now. Then the current is flowing here now. So the current formula, while writing that one, we have to discuss voltage across the resistance is nothing but what here? VR. VR equal to IR we can write down. VR equal to
Yes, Yes, sir.
IR. So this is resistance only. So this voltage drop across this resistance is in phase with current I, which is in phase with current I here now. But when we'll go for the voltage drop across the capacitor VC, it is nothing but IXC we are going to call this one. So IXC is the reactive component here now, capacitive reactance. This will, the voltage drop across capacitor will lags the current by 90 degree, or current leads the voltage across capacitor by 90 degree. Voltage across capacitor, it lags the current by 90 degree, or current leads the voltage across capacitor by 90 degree. Both the sentences are correct. Pure capacitance में कैसे बोला है?
Yes, sir.
Current leads the voltage. Yes. We cannot say that one complete voltage here now. Only voltage across capacitor only we are considering here now. Voltage across capacitor lags the current by 90 degree. Our current leads the voltage across capacitor by 90 degree. Both the sentence we can tell that one. So VC equal to IXC we can write down here now, and VC lags behind current by 90 degree. We can tell that one here now. So here this voltage drop across resistance is in phase with current, and this will lags the current here now. So I will take the current as a reference here now. I will take the current as a reference plane. I will consider here now. This is I will consider here now. Yes, we can write this one like I.
Yes, sir.
For this sentence only we will draw that one here now. Next VR we have to draw. VR where it will, which is in phase with current. So I will draw the VR here now. It will write, I will write VR here now. Yes, VR. Next, where the drop is there, voltage drop across capacitance is there, which will lags or leads. VC we have to draw here now. VC lags behind the current by 90 degree. So VR इधर स्टॉप हो गए, इधर से लैगिंग मींस हमने डाउन साइड लेना है कि क्या अपर साइड लेना है?
Downside.
Downside. This is called VC. We are going to call here now. VC here we are going to call here now. So join the starting point and end point here now. This is the starting point. This is the end point. By joining this one, we will get the voltage, na? The
Yes,
total voltage, that is called V. We can call this one here. So this is the phasor diagram of the RC series circuit. We can say that one here. From this equation, I will give the angle. What is the angle between this is the voltage, this is the current. These two angle hai na ye, this one. Is this 90
Yes, sir.
degree? It is 90 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. We cannot say exactly. So for that reason, I will write as
Phi.
phi here. I will write as phi here now. So it is voltage is lagging the current, is nothing but it will come positive now. The current equation will come positive here now. From this phasor diagram, I can write I equal to Im sin omega t plus or minus.
plus.
Plus.
Phi we have to write here now. Im sin omega t plus phi we have to write here now. So this is the equation number 1, voltage equation, and the current equation we can write as plus phi. We have to add here now. It will comes in the this one here now. I equal to Im sin omega t plus phi. This is the phasor diagram we have to draw here now. So voltage equation is over, current equation is over, phasor diagram is over now. Next, these two equations we got here now. So we can draw the waveforms now. From the equations we can draw waveforms easily. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
voltage is start from 0 because V equal to Vm sin omega t. But the current is here, plus phi is there. So before the voltage, it should have to start here now. The current should start before the voltage. Voltage 0 से चालू हो गए तो 0 से पहले, that is called minus pi. Minus pi से चालू होना है. This is called. So it will start from here now. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Circuit diagram, phasor diagram, waveforms, and voltage equation, current equation. Next, we will go for the average power equations again. You can tell the average power equations. We can also tell that one. And here the impedance triangle they have considered here. From the phasor diagram, the resultant voltage can be derived. resultant voltage, total voltage. They are writing the formula here now. Instead of formula, this one, I will go for the next. This is voltage triangle. Average power we will discuss here now. So average power of the capacitance is 0 again. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So total average power of the circuit is the combination of average power of resistance and inductance. So average power of the capacitance is 0. Then P equal to VRI we can write down.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So from this one, again cos phi equal to, which is adjacent here now? This is adjacent. This is opposite. This is hypotenuse. The adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So cos phi equal to VR into VR by V. VR equal to V cos phi, you can write down. So again, we'll get this equation only. Vi cos phi is the power equation here. VR equation is the power equation we are going to identify here now. So this is average power. Average power equal to P equal to Vi cos phi. So next we'll, from the voltage triangle, this is the voltage triangle. From this voltage triangle, we have to identify the formula for Vz here now. Total resultant. This one we know that one. VR equal to IR. In the starting only we have written here now the explanation. VR equal to IR. VC equal to IXC. What about the V then? V equal to Iz we have to prove here. For that reason, V equal to square root of V square. From this phasor diagram we can write down here now. We know the formula VR equal to IR. We know the formula VC equal to IXC. Substitute in the place of VR, you substitute IR. And in the place of VC, you substitute IXC. So I square you take the common. After that one, square root of common I square square root of I square is I only.
I.
So I R square plus X square you keep as it is here now. This complete term I will write as impedance here. Z we are going to write down here now. So V equal to Iz we have to derive here now. V equal to Iz we have derived here now. So from this one we have written the Z equation, and as well as phi equal to tan inverse of VC by VR we can write down. VC is nothing but what? IXC. VC equal to IXC, na?
Yes, sir.
Divided by VR equal to IR. So this I gets cancelled. XC by R we can write down. XC equal to
1 upon omega c.
1 upon
1
omega
upon
c.
omega c here. 1 upon omega c, and R you have as it is, we have written here now. From this equation, cos phi equal to
AR by V.
VR by V.
VR by V. So over na power equation of triangle we have written here now. That's it. We can tell that one here. Any doubts here? It completes the RC circuit. If you have any doubts here, you now it is RL is over, RC is over. RL का फेजर डायग्राम कंसीडर करो, इसका डेड अपोजिट है, ये अपर साइड है, ये डाउन साइड आ गया अभी. यस सर नो? L को अपर साइड आने वाला है,
Yes, sir.
C को डाउन साइड आ गए. That is the difference only. While taking current is common in both the terms, so I have taken current as a reference. We have considered reference phasor. We have considered as current here now. Any doubts? You can ask the doubts. कुछ समझ में नहीं आया सर, वो एक्सप्लेन करो, ये एक्सप्लेन करो, ये नहीं, कुछ भी पूछ सकते, बट डाउट क्लियर होना है. डाउट माइंड में रख के तुम हाँ मत बोलो. है क्या डाउट? है क्या कुणाला? काय शंका है क्या?
No, sir.
मला मराठी येत नाही बाबा, तुम्ही आराम से बोलो. मेरे को उतना मराठी नहीं आते, उसके लिए पूछ रहा हूँ मैं. ऑल ऑफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन हिंदी ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I can understand Marathi, but I can't speak. Little bit I can speak also. No problem. So, can I dictate some important points of the RC circuit?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Stopped here. You take this circuit diagram. Take the circuit diagram. Take the heading. लिया heading लिया. Sorry, X diagram. Have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Diagram is over. Next line. The alternating voltage V is given by. The alternating voltage V is given by. The alternating voltage V is given by. You write this one. V equal to Vm sin omega t. V equal to Vm sin omega t. Over.
Yes, sir.
Next line. The voltage across resistor VR. The voltage across resistor. The voltage across resistor VR is in phase with I. Is in phase with I. The voltage across resistor VR is in phase with current I. लिखो is in phase with current I. Current I. Current I. And VR equal to IR. VR equal to IR. Short में dictation करता हूँ. VR equal to IR. Over.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Next line. The voltage across capacitor VC. The voltage across capacitor VC. The voltage across capacitor VC lags. VC lags behind the current. The voltage across capacitor VC lags behind the current I. Behind the current I by 90 degree. By 90 degree. By 90 degree. By 90 degree. Therefore, VC equal to IXC. You write this one. VC equal to IXC. VC equal to IXC. Over.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
With the above information, the phasor diagram can be drawn as. Same written. With the above equation, the phasor diagram can be drawn as. Phasor diagram can be drawn as. Take this phasor diagram. Phasor diagram draw करो ये. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Phasor diagram लिए क्या?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. From the above phasor diagram, it is observed that. From the above phasor diagram, it is observed that. Current leads the voltage. Current leads the voltage. Current leads the voltage. Current I leads the voltage V. Current I leads the voltage V by an angle phi, by an angle phi, by an angle phi. Therefore, I equal to small I लिखो, I equal to Im sin omega t plus phi. I equal to Im sin omega t plus phi. I equal to Im sin omega t plus phi. Full point. Equation number 2 लिखो इसको. Equation number 2 लिखो. Next line. From equation number 1 and 2, from the equation number 1 and 2, from the equation number 1 and 2, we can draw the waveforms of, we can draw the waveforms of current and voltage. We can draw the voltage, sorry, waveforms of current and voltage, current and voltage as shown below, as shown below. Take this waveform. Take this waveform. Over. Over.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. From the phasor diagram, write down, from the phasor diagram, we can write, from the phasor diagram, we can write, from the phasor diagram, we can write all these equations. Up to इधर only equations लिखो, कुछ भी explanation नहीं लिखने का. From the phasor diagram, we can write V equal to VR square plus VC square square root. And this all the things you write down. Over.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
नेक्स्ट लाइन राइट डाउन. एवरेज पावर का भी ऊपर लिखा है ना, वही एज इट इज लिख दो. एवरेज पावर, नेक्स्ट लाइन राइट डाउन. द एवरेज पावर ऑफ द सर्किट, the average power of the circuit, the average power of the circuit P equal to VR into I, VR into I equal to V cos phi into I, therefore P equal to VI cos phi. Write this one directly. Therefore P equal to VI cos phi, P equal to VI cos phi. हो गया इधर तक?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट लाइन, नेक्स्ट हेडिंग ले लो. इम्पीडेंस ट्रायंगल. इम्पीडेंस ट्रायंगल. इम्पीडेंस ट्रायंगल हेडिंग लिखो. This formula, this one, this phasor diagram you take down. Last one, last phasor diagram. This one you take down. Only ये ले लो. This one you have to take down. Don't take this one. Over.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Z equal to square root of R square plus XC square. R square plus XC square. Impedance Z equal to R square plus XC square. Have written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cos phi equal to what is that? Cos phi equal to
R by Z.
R by Z, and phase angle phi equal to
Cos inverse.
XC by
Was
R.
of
tan inverse
Tan inverse.
लिखने का कभी भी अभी फार्मूला के लिए जस्ट फॉर द कैलकुलेशन पर्पस वी आर टेलिंग दैट वन. XC by
R.
R na,
R.
XC by R, that's it here. So this is the phase angle. You can write for all the triangles: voltage triangle, impedance triangle, and power triangle. All the triangles we have to write this one here. The power triangle is same like a XL. XL का जैसा था ऐसे ही है power triangle. Only in the place of XC, XL we have to write XC here now. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So we'll in the next class we'll discuss RLC. So to understand RLC, you should have to be perfect in RL and RC. RL and RC का पूरा definite derivation you have to realize once you read it completely. कौन सा के equations you have to read it, all the equations you read it, and you have to remember all the equations. Then we will go for the RLC circuit in the next class here now. So we'll stop here only. Okay. "45 members are there, 45 chat box messages are there.